Why North Wall is the strongest, or we can rephrase it and say that North Wall is the tallest. You can see the profile everywhere in the volcano is almost at the same level, except the North Wall, which is toward the right. And the answer to this question is obvious. For obvious reason, this is the tallest. You can see that with your eyes. The vent, where the actual conduit of the magma is there and the lava erupts from there, is closer to the north. And every time there is an eruption and a fountain of eruption rises, it actually falls on that side and prepares it. Whereby in the left side, which is towards the south and east and west, there is not such much effect. And that's the reason the north part, as we can see here, is the tallest. And is the strongest. And is has the highest, resistivity to being, eroded away. In that sense, although the lava is very fragile, this lava is a low silica, is not very strong, it doesn't have very good glue to stick together, but that side is all the time being built up over that. It's like a buttress in the building. It holds everything together, pushes forward.